Now that the kiln is pretty much done, I can clear up some of the mess out here. First I decided I was going to try to cut this large maple. Much to my surprise, it has not lost any weight whatsoever, so I guess it's as dry as it's going to get before cutting. I can't even lift it with the tractor. I still have a couple I guess to be elm right here that I need to get rid of too. They're in the way, so I figured no time better than now. This log has some pretty bad ring shape, but it still should make some good boards if I can get it to dry without just disintegrating. This is the second log with this vortex blade. It cuts pretty well, but it seems to be holding a bunch of junk on the edge here. May just be this log though, I don't know. These boards are something else. They got the coolest grain on them. I'm hoping I can drive these out without them cracking too bad. I guess time will tell. These are going to need to air dry for a little while. That moisture content is ridiculous.